Rock, paper, draw.
Are you ready to draw Peppa Pig and the pig family eating ice cream with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by taking my black marker and drawing the outline of Daddy Pig's snout. And here are the 2 ears and glasses. Here is Daddy Pig's cheek, eye, mustache and beard, and the arm and hand, the outline of the body, and the curly little tail. Here is Daddy Pig's legs and feet and other arm. What is Daddy Pig holding here? It's a delicious ice cream. And here is a little pig. Now who can this be? It's Peppa Pig. I have now drawn Peppa, head, ears, snout. And here is Peppa Pig's dress, arm and hand. Here is Peppa's cute little tail, eyes, cheek, legs and feet. And what is Peppa Pig holding here? Peppa has an ice cream too. Yum! Now onto Mummy Pig. Here is Mummy Pig's snout, ears, eyes and eyelashes, mouth and cheek. And Mummy Pig's dress. Now who could this be? It's little George Pig. This is the snout, ears, mouth. And here George is sticking the tongue out to lick the ice cream. I will quickly finish Mummy Pig's tail here. On to Mummy Pig and George Pig's legs. And here is little George's yummy ice cream to eat. That's the outline done. Now onto painting my picture. First I am painting Daddy Pig. I am using a pink color. I start by painting the head. Then onto the arms, legs, and little tail. I am painting the nostrils and cheek now. I am using a dark pink color. I will take my black marker and color in the mouth and shoes. Here I am using a green color to color in the shirt. Now for Daddy Pig's glasses, I am using a blue color. Onto the ice cream cones, I am using a yellow color. Now for Daddy Pig's ice cream, I am using a red color. What flavor would that be? That's right, it's strawberry. Yummy! Time to paint Peppa Pig. I am using a pink color and will paint Peppa's arms, legs, and cute little tail. Onto Peppa's cheeks and nostrils, I am using a dark pink color. I will paint Peppa Pig's dress now. I am using a red color. I am using a yellow color. What flavor could that be? That's right, it's banana flavor. Now, to paint Little George Pig, I am using a pink color and I am painting the head, arm, legs, and tail. And for the cheek, tongue, and nostrils, I am using a dark pink color. I will use the black marker to color in the mouth and the shoes. Now for painting George's body and shirt, I am using a light blue color. And for George's ice cream, I am using a purple color. What flavor could that be? That's right, it's boysenberry. Now to paint the last member of the pig family in the drawing, it's Mummy Pig. First to paint the head. Arms, leg, and tail, I am using a pink color. Now onto the cheeks and nostril, I am using a dark pink color. Onto Mummy Pig's dress, I am using an orange color. Now I am using my marker to color in the mouth and shoes. And for Mummy Pig's ice cream, I using a blue color. What flavor is that? That's right, it's bubblegum color. To finish off my drawing, I am going over the outline with my black marker. And that's it. I'm all done. Do you like it? Make sure to subscribe and get in touch by letting me know what drawings you would like to see me do. Check out my stitch video. See you next time.